Hi, this is LENNUX and welcome back to my channel. And we have the beautiful Wyndham Gardens Motel. And we're on Bourbon Street right now. And it's along the Riverwalk. Can you imagine booking a reservation here just so that way you can be able to get a highlight of what it's like to be here? And look at the view that you would get of the Riverwalk. And you have access to downtown. You have great parking because I believe that they have validated parking here. And you have a nice, beautiful access to their restaurant. You get, oh my gosh, just beautiful. Beautiful. Yes. Yes. So I thought you'd be able to like that little highlight. You know, not everybody on my page is a local in San Antonio. And I appreciate that because I have people from other countries, other states, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. So, you know, maybe you don't exactly know what San Antonio is like. Maybe you've never been here. Maybe you guys would like to take a trip out here. And now you have an idea of what some of the place beholds. But this isn't everything. This is just guiding you along the way underneath the traffic. Now, our traffic isn't too cluttered. It's not like you're gonna be like in some heavy traffic for like 100 years. No, it's not that bad. But we are guiding through the Riverwalk because it's one of the main tourist attractions here. We're just not going through the tour. So we're giving you from the ground up or from beneath the ground up. So come on. I just can't get over how nice the Wyndham is. Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. Beautiful. And yeah, so we'll tune in to the next video.